Constellation is the blockchain for big data. With nearly 80% of the world's data created in the last 3 years, we need to rethink our antiquated digital infrastructure, as big data is all data. As nearly every organization goes online through digital transformations, current blockchains are not scalable to meet these infrastructure demands. Data breaches, hacks, and the lack of interoperability between data management systems are preventing our vision of a connected world come to life. Constellation expands the capabilities of traditional blockchain technology to accommodate a world that relies on big data and artificial intelligence. Constellation has created a network with developer solutions that will match both current and future demands of big data and the autonomous world we all envision. This is where Constellation shines. Unlike most blockchain technologies which run consensus on a ledger balance, Constellation expands traditional DLT use cases to run consensus on complex big data types where lots of data are required to power applications such as self-driving cars, cybersecurity, and secure IoT. Constellation's network will empower a community to govern our data. Data of the future. Data created by us and our devices. To do this, Constellation has created a unique secure communication protocol and a network built on reputation, which is powered by node operators all over the world. This will usher in a new era of applications that enrich artificial intelligence while providing security for growing digital infrastructures. Constellation's network is a novel application of blockchain tech with real-world big data.
Today, big data runs our world with IoT, mobile devices, and AI. The more connected we are, the more data that's created. But more data can mean more problems, because a connected world is only as good as the data that goes into it. And most data is unsecure. Bad data and digital security breaches cost the US economy over $3 trillion each year and cost your organization valuable resources, because bad data leads to bad decisions, and those lead to compounded mistakes further upstream. That's where SPORE Technologies comes in. We prevent corrupt data from entering your system and creating bad logic. By integrating with existing tech stacks, we provide early visibility into your data pipelines with an added layer of validation and security. With easy-to-use APIs, our dashboard provides analytics and insights for pipeline management, so your team can rest assured that your sources are secure, clean, and creating a validated and tamper-proof audit trail, resulting in smarter systems. Imagine that! Contact SPORE Technologies today to upgrade your data infrastructure for the future.
In the present IoT system, all data is authenticated centrally. Each piece of data gets stored in convenient cloud storage, which means that anyone with access to that cloud storage can alter or steal data. The risk of data corruption is imminent and simply not viable for the ever-expanding IoT industry. Constellation offers a solution to this problem. By leveraging a decentralized reputation consensus model that verifies the information passed between IoT devices, Constellation ensures both data integrity and validity. This enables other companies to utilize trusted and secured data. One example is Constellation's partner Chainlink, whose smart contracts serve a prominent role in blockchain use cases for IoT. If a smart contract needs to interact with data from an IoT device, it calls on Chainlink oracles to deliver validated data to execute the contract without risking corruption. IoT will therefore add great utility to both Chainlink and Constellation, since the massive loads of data will require automated validation layers.
data runs our world. In the United States alone, bad data costs $3 trillion a year. And with nearly 28 billion devices coming online by 2022, this problem is becoming exponential. To realize the vision of connected 1.6 trillion IoT world run by data, emerging decentralized networks and blockchain are essential. The Quant network and Constellation network integration will enable companies to build cross-platform, interoperable big data, IoT and AI production, prototypes and sandbox test environments. The Constellation Hypergraph is built to accommodate production-ready data environments and are compatible to existing tech stacks like StackPath, MongoDB, Databricks and Cloudera. Quant has developed the world's first blockchain operating system called Overledger, which allows customers to connect to any supported blockchain with just 3 lines of code. This integration will be powered by Constellation's Hypergraph and Quant's Overledger's interoperability capabilities with 11 permissioned and permissionless blockchain networks and protocols. The Quant and Constellation integration and partnership lays the foundation for a connected blockchain ecosystem, allowing developers to test and scale various blockchain solutions for any business application or use case. The goal is to lower the barriers of entry to blockchain technology while providing the ability to migrate existing data to a scalable production-ready environment. The new Constellation connector on Overledger will allow any company the ability to truly safeguard their real-world data initiatives like IoT, where billions of sensors are creating, transferring and making real-time decisions based on data. The Constellation Quant integration lays the foundation for a connected ecosystem focused on scalable adoption by providing end-to-end integration, security and application support for a world driven by artificial intelligence and big data. This is just the beginning.
Do you like dags? Sure, I like dags.
Constellation. Constellation DAG provides infrastructure for an open decentralized data marketplace and an enterprise-grade software solution for data provenance and integrity. It's currently worth roughly $0.0227 and it's on the rise. Unlike other altcoins featured in this post, which are very much in the troughs of their respective bear cycles, Constellation has emerged from its depression phase and appears to now be in the optimism stage of the market cycle. Patel expects DAG's price, currently worth nearly 250 satoshis, to triple in 2020. Editor's note: this is not investment advice. Investing in cryptocurrencies is highly risky and readers should always do their own